Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video on different subscription boxes that I think are either worth it or not worth it. We're going to be talking about mostly beauty subscription boxes, so if you're interested, stay tuned. I got my water right here because it's going to be a very chatty video. I did this makeup using Manny's Lunar Beauty Palette, Life's a Drag. So I think I might actually film it for you guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Y para las que hablan español, por favor recuerden que yo subo videos en español y en inglés, así que por eso este video es en inglés, pero si les gusta, les hago uno muy similar en español. Okay, I think I did all my disclaimers. One more, this video is not sponsored by any means. The boxes that I have are boxes that I have purchased or that I have used in the past in different videos. Now, I did do a sponsored video separate from this one using two of the boxes that I have, but it has nothing to do with this video. This is after already receiving and using the products and kind of comparing it to all the other boxes that I have. Okay, now we can really get started. Going from cheapest to most expensive. Starting off at just $5, we have the Walmart Beauty Box. It is a seasonal box, meaning that it does not come every single month. It comes 4 times a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. When you go on the Walmart Beauty Box website, it gives you like your beauty profile. It asks you what your concerns are. I guess because this isn't just a makeup box, it's a beauty box. And then it also asks you for your hair type. So I guess this box sends you things for your hair. The last question it asks you is which kind of other products would you be interested in discovering? So opening it up, this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's actually very cute. This right here tells you what box it is, and this one is from the winter. It gives you 5 products, but it also includes some samples. The first product I see is this Degree Black and White Ultra Clear Deodorant. We have the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. It looks to me like it's kind of a deluxe sample. Normally you would buy the large version. The box was only $5, so what does it matter, honestly? We also got the Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream. So this is another cream, both kind of small. So far we already got 2 moisturizers. And another product that we have in here is this very bright colored nail polish. This is a full-size nail polish, so I think that this was a good deal to get. And then finally, we have a single-use mask. This is a charcoal mask, and right in the back, it says sample, not for resale. So really, the only full-size products we got in the Walmart Beauty Box was the Sinful Colors nail polish and the Degree deodorant. But we did get one more sample in here, and it is the Positively Radiant 60-Second In-Shower Facial Ultimate Glow Aveeno, whatever this is. I was reading online that the purpose of the Walmart Beauty Box is basically for you to see new beauty products that come out every season and then get you to kind of try them before you go and make the full purchase. It is an option if you guys are interested in doing so. This wasn't necessarily a personalized box. I got it at an event. So maybe if I would have purchased the subscription quarterly, then I would have gotten products that were a little bit more similar to my liking. Okay, moving on to the next subscription box. It's actually not really a box, it's more of a bag. So right here I have an example of what an Ipsy bag would look like. Products come in the bag itself, and Ipsy is, I believe, $10 a month. It is a monthly subscription box, and they are beauty products. I am on the website right now. I was subscribed to Ipsy about 2 years ago, and I had it for a few months. I really liked it, so I'm just going to walk you guys through the beauty quiz that they also have. It basically gives you like a super in detail quiz, which I think is phenomenal. This is definitely a more in-depth quiz compared to the Walmart subscription box. You know right off the bat that you're going to be getting products that are more to your liking. The first question is, what is your skin tone? if you are willing to spend those extra $5, you're gonna be getting something that's a little bit more similar to your likes, your wants, your needs, and your beauty concerns. Side note, this freaking Lily lash is bothering me on the inner corner. I don't know why. I feel like it might be a little bit too long. I didn't cut it right, but just if you noticed it, ignore it. Okay, now it also says that it is 5 beauty products, so you are going to be getting exactly 5 products every month for $10, and it does have free shipping within the US. I actually just found an amazing website right now because I was looking for Ipsy reviews since I don't have a full Ipsy bag right now to give you reviews on that. So it's called mysubscriptionaddiction.com. If you have any questions, if there's anything that I didn't answer for you guys, feel free to go ahead over there and kind of make a decision for yourself. So in the month of June, which is the review that I'm looking at right now, this is what the bag looks like, and these are the products that you received. This looks like a sample size Ofra eyeshadow, and it's a blush actually. In June, you also got this brush, which retailed for $17.99. You also got this pure Brazilian leave-in conditioner. It's only 1 ounce, so it kind of looks like a sample size, honestly. This miniature version is worth $3.83. So to be honest with you guys, Ipsy I think is great, but honestly, if all the products have to fit in this tiny little bag, you are probably not going to be getting large, full-sized products, but for $10 a month, it could be worth it. Okay guys, so the next box that we're going to be talking about is Boxycharm. I love Boxycharm. You guys know this. I talk about Boxycharm a lot on my channel. I talk about it a lot on Instagram. I actually know a lot of the girls, and I'm the CEO of Boxycharm because they are based in Miami. But again, this video is not sponsored, and this is fully my opinion. So this is the June box from Boxycharm. It comes like this. It doesn't come in any external box or envelope. This is what you get in the mail. Keep that in mind. They always send you an email when it is going to ship, but yeah, it says Boxycharm on it, so if you don't want anybody stealing your makeup, make sure that you are paying a lot of attention and you are tracking your shipment. Boxycharm is $21.99 a month, but it also gives you an option to pay for 3 months in a row, 6 months in a row, and I believe 1 whole year. And I guess the more you spend, the more you save. So I am on the Boxycharm website right now, and in each box you're going to receive 4 to 5 full-size products. Sometimes you even get up to 6 products, honestly, if you count it as 6 products. For example, a lot of times they'll give you brush sets like this, and that to me is 3 separate products. And the minimum value of the whole box itself is $100. That is the minimum value. What I love about Boxycharm is that you are never going to get a miniature version or a sample size. You are always going to get a full size version. It also gives you a quiz. So right here it says that the second step would be to explore your beauty. You are going to get members only offers in every Boxycharm that you get per month. So this is an example of past boxes, and you can see that you get eyeshadow palettes, blush palettes, contour palettes, you get lashes, you get brush trios. Sometimes you will get a hair care product or a skincare product, but this is mostly makeup. I am also a professional makeup artist, so I need to have makeup for different skin tones, makeup variations, because all my clients have different styles and different tastes in makeup. With that being said, Boxycharm allows you to try a bunch of new products without having to spend a ton of money, and it kind of keeps me up to date with beauty trends and with new beauty product launches. So when you open the box, number one, you'll see that there is like a little foamy thing in between, so it is protecting your makeup because, like I said, this is basically the box it ships in. And you get this little pamphlet. It explains every single product, how you can use it, where it's from, how much it's worth. So the first product is this Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the full-size palette. It is worth $28. The next product are these Batagon Monroe Silk Lashes, and they are also worth $28. So the next product is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's worth $10. Next product is this 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set from Luxie, which alone is worth $42. So We got this waterproof eyeliner from Janta Blue, which is worth $5, and the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, which is worth $21. So you guys can go ahead and do the math, but it is well over $100. And before we finish up with Boxycharm, I do want to mention that Boxycharm is extremely popular, especially in the last year and a half. If you subscribed right away, you might not get that box for that month. You might have to wait until the next box because there are so many people that want to get Boxycharm. You may be put on a waiting list. Your card will not get charged until you are taken off the waiting list. So another box I want to talk about is called Vegan Cuts, and I think it's a really cool concept because all the products are cruelty free. I have the beauty box in front of me, and that is a monthly subscription box for $22 in the United States. Internationally, I believe it's like $30-something, and in Canada it's $30-something. Also, they also give you an option to get 6 months in advance, and then you can also get the yearly subscription box supplies. In the beauty box, you get things for like skincare, anti-aging, a little bit of makeup, but it's not just like only makeup. It's paraben free and it focuses on organic and natural makeup, which I think is such a great option because there are so many brands out there that are cruelty free and natural and organic, and we don't know a lot about them. Okay, so in the beauty box, we got 6 products. So this first product is from Dirty Lamb. It is the organic coffee scrub, and it is 2 ounces. So then the next product is this face mask from Franklin and Whitman. We also got from Anointment Natural Skincare this rose toner. And then these 2 little things look like they are sample sizes. I mean, I don't know, I guess some products are full size, some are sample sized. And then over here, we do have a gel eyeliner. So for the beauty box, it was mostly skincare, but we do have that eyeliner, which counts as makeup. This is for $22, and it is all vegan, animal cruelty free. The last subscription box that I'm going to be talking about is FabFitfun. It says, discover products for a life well lived, $200 and up. Value for only $49.99. It is a seasonal subscription box. You get between 8 to 10 full-sized products. So that's one reason why it can be more expensive. It also lets you customize the box, which is not necessarily an option you had in other boxes. Although, side note, I forgot to mention, Boxycharm CEO said that he was going to start allowing charmers to customize certain products in their boxes. Let me know down below if you guys are down for that. So with FabFitfun, it's a little similar to Boxycharm in the sense as there are limited boxes available. So the summer editors box that I have is limited edition, and it is probably going to be sold out very quickly. So if you guys aren't able to get this box right away, you will probably be able to get the fall box or the winter box. Basically, if you begin your membership in between seasons when the season box is sold out, you will get the summer editors box, which is a box customized and chosen by FabFitfun editors. It still comes with between 8 to 10 products that are worth over $200, but it is not that summer box that everyone else is getting. This box is freaking huge compared to the other boxes. So when I first opened up the box, here are the products that I got. It also comes with this a pamphlet that pretty much talks about FabFitfun. Really quick, FabFitfun is not only a beauty subscription box, but it also is a fitness, fashion, and lifestyle subscription box. It also comes with some coupons. A retail value between $300 and $336 in this specific box, based on the exact products that you got. So you could go ahead and calculate that on your own based on what you got. So this is kind of just like all the products they were offering, but you only got 8 of them. That makes sense. So let me just show you guys really quickly what I got. I got this ISH lip palette. I also got this body wash infused buffer. I got this pure lace moisturizer. I also got the shower gel, which is infused with roses. I think the best product that we got in the editor's box is the Foreo cleanser and skin analyzer. Just to give you guys a feel of the value of FabFitfun products, this itself is $89 and you are only paying half of that for the entire box. I also got this trigger point ball, which is pretty cool. And then finally we got this very cute portable makeup bag. You can put your toiletries in here if you are traveling in the summer. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to share it so that your friends and family can see this video. I'm gonna link all of their websites down below. If you guys are subscribed to any of the ones that I spoke about, please leave a comment down below because I'd love to know your thoughts on all of them. Remember to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Make sure you stay tuned for the rest of my content.